Hey guys, how are you today? Good, good, good. Well, today I thought it would be cool to show you my little cashier collection. So I used this collection before there's a nice cashier video and then there's a sassy cashier video, but I never really used all the pieces, but they're so cute and they're so little. And I thought it would be neat to show you guys and to see what you guys think. How does that sound? Excellent, perfect. Okay, well, let's start with the cash register. So, the cash register lights up here, and then it has buttons 1 through 9. And then it says on, off, AG, open, and enter. And then here's where you put the money in. And then also, there was this little device on it, which it looks like a little phone. It has a calendar, there's like a settings icon, a text message bubble, clock, weather, a GPS location, and the calendar, and the time, of course. Look, it's so neat. Yeah, they're definitely going for a phone. I just don't understand the correlation from the register to the phone. I guess that's just the part where you use your imagination and just have another play piece. It's cute and it dings and everything too. I just don't have batteries in it just because I don't use it that much. So we put the batteries in other things. Perfect. And then the second piece is going to be the scanner. So it looks like so. And then it goes beep, 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 beep. Took the batteries out of this one too, but this will scan all of your play toy groceries, and then you can ring it up on the cash register. Perfect. And then next to it is going to be a little roller, which it'll show the prices of the items here when we check out. So it shows the date here of August 28 and the time of 10:23. Now that I can't change. Some Velcro. So the date and time just comes with. But then on the rolly wheel here, you see the price of the items, like hot dogs are $12, bananas are $18, inflated to the heavens. You have carrots and cabbage, $16. And then I see some milk for $25. There are cherries going for $20. And then it repeats back to hot dogs. Which one will it land on? Ah, the milk for $25. It says market on the bottom. So this is fun too when you're pretending to look up items for your checkout. And then moving along, there is a little basket. It's so teeny. Look. And inside of your little basket is going to be, I see milk, potato, I think that's a pear, pepper, corn, and there's even some money in here. Look, if you look close, you can see the coinage. See? Well, let's take it apart and look at each piece, shall we? Okay, so the first piece is going to be the milk. the all too expensive milk. And look how cute and little it is. It's a little holder. And it says, there's a picture of strawberry on it. And so it's probably strawberry milk. Look. It probably tastes really good, like ice cream. And then next to the milk is gonna be a corn on the cob. Look. Nice plastic corn on the cob. Looks tasty, just needs some butter with it. Or just eat it like that. Next to the corn is gonna be the pear. I think this is pear. Little pear. Looks tasty, but it's not ready for eating yet. Well, one, because it's plastic, of course, and two, because it is too green. So you have your pear, and then next to your pear is gonna be, ta-da, your grapes. Look at the detail for the texture. So cool. Your cute little grapes. Okay, followed by a potato. Look at this spud. It has all the perfect little shapes and crevices that a normal spud would. Makes me hungry for French fries. Your little spud. And then comes your pepper. So what kind of peppers do you guys like eating? Like, if I had to eat pepper, it would be the green pepper. I don't really care for the red, but in my potato mix for breakfast, sometimes there are red and green potatoes, but it's fine. I mean, not potatoes, but peppers, but it's fine because they're so small and finely cut that you don't really taste it. And your pepper has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's a perfect shape. It's so cute. Look. Your little plastic pepper. Ooh, and then next in the cart, I see some money. Ooh, let's count it together. Okay, so I see 5, so 10 plus 25 is 35, plus 25 is going to be 60, plus 10 is going to be 70, and then 80, so $80. Now let's take a look at these bills, shall we? Let's have a closer look. Let's see what's going on with these bills. Let's look at the 5. So it says, toys, 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 toys. Just in case if you were wondering if it was real. It's not. And then you have a little picture back here of a building. And then as well on the front. And that's your money, honey. Now I do see this key card. I'm not sure where this goes. I don't even remember seeing this ever, and I took this apart like years ago, like probably like 2-3 years ago. But it says strawberry, apple, banana, $2.99 for fruit. So it's some kind of key card. Some kind of fruit key card. Whoop. Does this key card mean anything to you? Same. Means I gotta go to the store tomorrow and pick up some fruit because your girl is running low. So I'm thinking it goes here. What goes in there? The credit card. Okay, so the key card goes here. So you can price check all of the little fruit right here as you scan them. Makes sense. Super cute. Super fruit. I love fruit. Every week I try to get some strawberries and some blueberries. I put the blueberries in my smoothie in the morning, and then strawberries, I'll just cut them up, wash them, and then nibble on them at the end of the night, like literally the last thing before bed. And then the next thing in the cart is gonna be a Junior Bank credit card. So you have your numbers of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 7, 5, 4, 8, 7, 9, 5, 4, 8, 9. And then the code is gonna be 4, 6, 8, 9, and it's valid from June 2017 and expires on June 2020. So this card is way expired, and they have a big sign on it that says card as well for the Junior Bank. And the back it says authorized signature, not valid unless signed. And if found, please hand it to any Junior Bank branch. Numbers of 9879, 364 also in the back. And there's no signature, so I don't even know if they've even ever used this card, but it is so cute. Look at this little play card. It's adorable. Okay, so that one definitely goes here. Cha-ching. Oh, it's so cute. I love the click sounds. That's backwards. Cha-ching. Cash your card, please. Well, lucky you, this machine takes both, so we're good there. And then also the last thing in the basket are gonna be these money coins. So this reminds me of when we were little in elementary school, and we would have to earn these when we did good behavior, when we did our homework, when we listened in class. And when you did good, you would get little money coins. Like this one says play cash 5, and this one says play cash 10, and then this one says play cash 20. These little plastic, adorable play monies. So total, we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 70 cents. Won't buy us, probably won't buy us anything these days, but money is money. Mix it with your paper cash, and then you can pay the exact change and get rid of it. Perfect, you guys. Well, and then also, let me put this back, and then we have a couple cardboard cutout things too, I see down here. We'll take a look at that, check it out, see what it's about. So we have your milk, corn, pepper, pear, grapes, potato, credit card, play card, and then we have your little fruit sign key login, and then we have all of your paper money, and then we have all of your cents as well. Perfect. Okay, so we have everything back in your little cute basket, your shopping grocery basket. Okay, and now the little cutouts I have are going to be of 3 items. Can you guess which items they are based on either the color of the box or the picture? So first, we'll start with the color of the box. Okay. It says fresh, and it's blue. So I never seen this beverage sold here like this, but I've seen it this way in Europe when I used to visit when I was younger. But if you guessed fresh milk, you are correct. Now, have you ever shopped anywhere where they have milk in like these boxes like this, where it's just on like the shelves, not even cold? Yeah, just for me, it was in Europe. Okay, let's see how to put this together. About that. And then we put this in there. Okay, it looks like the base. And then this is where we scan the item. And then we got to get the top closed too. I cannot believe I haven't set this up, you guys. I've had this for years. Like, what in the world? Okay. So we have an adorable, look, it's so cute. Adorable box of fresh milk. It says, for professional use only with milk extracts, rich in vitamins A, D, and E. So it has, for the nutrition facts, energy, protein, carbo, hydrote. I don't know, I've never seen that word before. Look. It has fat, calcium, vitamin B, vitamin A, and vitamin C. So we'll pour it up, and then we'll drink it down. Cheers. Okay, next, so the second out of the third, okay, so here is the color of the box, which I don't even know how this is sold. I don't buy this, but I would eat it. Okay, so check this out. Here's the color of the box. Any guesses? The word starts with a cube. And here's a picture of it. Yep, sugar cubes. Cubed sugar. So it says granulated sugar is refined from the highest quality sugar. Stored in a call. You mean stored in a cool, dry place? What is a call? Like, can you see that? Like, what in the world? And granulated sugar cute. Okay, let's put this box together. So cute. You think for the name it would be a cube itself, but it's more like a rectangular shape, kind of like a Jell-O box. But look how adorable it is. And then you have your picture of your coffee here, your little coffee beans. Then you just plop a couple of these sugar cubes in there. Like me, I love things super sweet. I don't drink coffee at all. So when I do like have anything from Starbucks, it is like a refresher drink. Maybe once a year or once every 2-3 years, I'll have like a caramel macchiato. But my husband drinks coffee just like this with nothing in it. I like smelling it, but I would never drink that like that. And now the last box we have is, I've never seen this before, but it looks like this. And the first word is crisp. Any ideas? Yeah, same. Well, don't feel bad, because it is milk chocolate almond flavored delicious crisp cookies. Now that sounds good. Wheat, flour, buttermilk, chocolate, almond, sugar, brown sugar. Oh no, they spelled sugar with 2 A's. Eggs, salt, baking soda, vanilla flavor. Oh, that sounds so good. Please recycle, please flatten and dispose of in the bin. Cool. Okay, let's put this together because it's already flattened, so. It's cute. It looks like a little box of cereal almost. The milk, chocolate, almond flavor. Really the best, it says. We'll have to try them. Okay, so you have your cookies, you have your milk, and you have your cube sugar. So we are ready for a good time. We're ready for a party here, I see. So then we'd get the scanner and then line it up and beep. And then the cashier would go ahead and update the numbers. We'd ring you out, and then we would use your little junior bank card to make your purchase for the day and collect your payment. Perfect. Well, I'm so glad that I finally got this video done, because I was talking about this video. I've had this for too long, and it's so fun. Like, you can tell I haven't used it because we put it together. Just me and you. All right, my darlings, thank you so much for tuning in as always. I always appreciate the love and you stopping by, and thanks for watching this. And if there's anything you want to see, just put it in the comments and I will take a look at it and see if I can do it. The next video is gonna be, so it's either gonna come out before this one or after this one, but it's gonna be showing you 3 treats and a tasting of them, just to see how they are and everything. But stay tuned for that. So it'll either come out before or after this one, but I mean, I don't know. I'll put them out on the same day sometimes, so we'll see. Well, thank you so much, you guys, and have a wonderful day and weekend. Today is Friday. See you next time. Bye.